As you can see, this hair needs to get done. I literally combed it out from the protective hairstyle that I just had it in. It was just two little braids, little pigtails. That looks so cute. But I know you guys can see from the camera quality that we got ourselves a camera, another one. And yeah, there'll be a separate video on all that, because I know a lot of content creators, influencers who do YouTube, and the ones who don't, I know they have Sony ZV-1, so I definitely want to show you guys and explain you guys what happened to mine, because it was really wonky. But from the title, we're doing our hair. I'm not gonna lie, my energy is just not there today. Today has been very very hectic, very anxious. Yeah, my energy just hasn't been right, but I've been gone way too long from YouTube and I need to do my hair, and I was like, I'm not recording this, like I have to record myself doing my hair. We're doing mini twists. I've always had done protective hairstyles, because one thing about my mother is she was not waking up every morning to do my hair. She would do it the night before, she would wash it, do it the night before. That was the hairstyle for the week. Okay, y'all, I didn't even know I had curls. I thought my hair was always nappy. I really thought my hair had no curls, because my mom would never let me have it out because she was scared that other children had lice and some more. So I didn't discover my curls until I was in maybe 4th grade. Anyhow, comment down below if you guys have ever had that experience, like you guys just didn't know you had curls until you were older because your parents just didn't want to do your hair, and so they lied to you and said that you didn't have curls. No, she didn't lie, but I've never done mini twists on my hair. All the girlies are doing it, so I'm like, I can do it too, you know. And I'm sick of doing this mop every morning. Just, if you guys don't know how to do a tutorial, then this is, you can kind of say it's a tutorial, but it's basically me just doing my hair. I'm gonna give you guys a few tips, because I did watch this one video of this girl because her thumbnail was popping, and you know, for YouTube thumbnails, that's the attention grabber, and her thumbnail was fire. So I was like, oh, let me see what she's working with. And she actually taught me something. She started from the front towards the back, and then left like the middle and the sides of her hair to do last, which is what we're gonna do, because I've never worked front to back. I've always worked either side to side or back to front. I'm gonna hop in the shower because I don't know if you guys could see, but my hair is dirty. Like, look at this. Dirty, it's greasy. For my protective hairstyle, I ended up putting the Blue Magic coconut oil, and for the ones who know, for my girlies who know, y'all know, this is, baby, this is the way to go. It is kind of like grease, but it's coconut oil, and it nourishes your hair so much, and it also makes your hair grow. Another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is this, baby. I've had this since, I don't know, my mom started using this on me probably once I started growing hair when I was younger, and my hair grew so much. It's only at this length because I like to cut my hair, but I haven't cut my hair for about like 6 months, so we're gonna try to make it a year to not cut my hair, because I do not want to cut my hair. I want my hair to be like this long, you know, all the way down to my back, curly, not straightened but curly. This is grease. This product is not meant for everybody's hair. If you have very thin, fine hair, it can make your scalp really greasy, because grease can go on the ends of your hair, but it's really meant for the scalp. Like maybe a year ago I started buying it again because I was like, I need to go back to my roots. I need to go back to my roots. We're gonna deep condition this hair after we wash it. I'm gonna shampoo it twice. So y'all know I only shampoo twice when I want my scalp really clean. I have very dry hair, so I always have to hydrate my hair and keep up with it. I'm gonna go shower. Hopefully you don't see a titty, okay? But we're back. We're back. 2 hours later, it's approximately 9:12. I washed my hair. I ended up like shampooing 4 times because baby, when I initially did my first protective hairstyle with this, I only used this. Ciao. Like, it was in my scalp. Like, I could feel the greasiness. So I had to shampoo 4 times. Not 1, not 2, before. After you deep condition, like, I don't know about you guys, but my hair be feeling so soft, so amazing. Like, oh my gosh. I use the leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture. Fire. So it's the Strength and Restore one. I use this, and I know there's mixed reviews on this, but I've been using this for years, and to be honest, my hair is healthier than ever, minus the dead ends because I refuse to cut my hair, but it's okay. I'm gonna put this throughout my whole head. I'm not gonna like part in it or anything. I'm just gonna put it in just so it can have like a little bit of moisture before we go and start these twists. This comb I love because it's easy to part, but we're only parting the front and the back. I'm not parting any other parts of my hair. The Melanin Twist and Elongating Styling Cream. I just did a review on this on TikTok. Fire. The gel, because in the front of my hair I'm gonna use gel only on the roots, and then my hair dries fast, so a water bottle that's not, you don't got no water in it. The tutorial that I watched, that I was telling you guys in the beginning how fire it is, I'm actually gonna link it down below in my description box just in case you guys want to go watch that one as well. We're just gonna try to make the line as straight as possible. She did the front first, like I said, and then she did the back. Ooh, that one's pretty good. This is what we have for the back. The front is the most important part, so I'm gonna do 2 rows when it comes to the front of my hair because I just feel like it's too much. All right, so I first put the Melanin Styling Cream all through my hair. Like when you twist, you want to twist and then pull. Same thing, twist, pull. Just so that root will be extra tight and it won't like flare up. They're gonna flare up either way. Depending on the texture of your hair, especially if you have curly hair, because your curls just, they shrink. You just want to make sure it's really tight. And I twist pretty slow, so once I get to the end, like you see, I have nails, so it's not going to keep going. Take a little of the styling cream, curl the ends like that. So we're going to do the same thing all the way this way. Okay guys, so we have the first side all done, like for the front. And I know it look crazy right now. It really do look crazy. But once my entire head's done, it's gonna look so freaking cute. Try to keep your edges out because you know, we want them edges. So I might do my edges tonight. I might wait till tomorrow until my hair is like dry to do my edges. I don't know. The back is probably gonna be my hardest. I'm gonna part all right here because I want to do versatile hairstyles. So what I'm gonna do is part all the way down the middle, make 2 lines right here. And all that hair is basically we're gonna do last, so it looks more natural and more easier to do different hairstyles. Go from the 3rd braid and go all the way down and start parting. We parted our hair from the third braid in the front down. This is what we get. This is what we get. Yeah. This is what we're doing last. All of this because we want it to look as natural as possible. So we're going to twist this, put it in the claw clip. I'm like tapped out. The rest of it, we're gonna do it natural, no combs, just our fingers in our water bottle and some styling cream. You guys, I'm whispering because everyone's sleeping, but look, we finished one side. We still have the middle to go, and then we still have all this. Look how fast my hair dried. I think I might do the front over because the front kind of looks way too fat, right? Like this is all slayed, sleek and pretty, and then the front's too fat. You know. Let's finish the bottom. So good. I love wine. From the front to the back now because I feel like it would be way easier, less discombobulated for me, and I think if you were to try it too, it would definitely be less discombobulated to you, unless you're a pro and you know what you're doing. I'm not a pro, so okay. So you see how like I can just part it like this and then separate it? We don't want that. We want to do space buns, we want to do ponytails, we want to do half up, half downs. So we're not gonna part this middle piece. It's probably the most important aside from the front and the back. I separated it like this instead of like this. So approximately 107, but I think we did that. So what do you guys think? Am I giving island gut? I'm just kidding. But bro, we freaking did that. Our first time doing mini twists. Okay, our hair's getting extra longer, so I did want to put some oil on the ends of my hair. It's just advanced repair vitamin E conditioning oil, but not through my whole head because I just put like product in my hair only on the ends, and I'm just gonna go like this. I'm not gonna do my scalp just yet because, you know, I'm gonna have these in for a couple weeks, but I think we did good. What do you guys think? All right, y'all, that concludes the end of the YouTube video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this YouTube video. It was a lot of work. For real though, it was a lot of work. I'm really tired and I have to get up in like 4 hours. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the love. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Can you guys believe that? We're almost at 100 subscribers. Like, if you guys have any tips for the next time I do this on my hair, I love you guys so much. I don't think you guys understand. I do. So I'm gonna wrap my hair up and I'll see you next time. Bye.